Are you ready to uncover the best-kept secret of AI Kamikaze drones? Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to a thrilling episode of cutting-edge tech discoveries. Today, we are about to reveal one of the most elusive and technologically advanced unmanned combat aerial vehicles, the Northrop Grumman X-47B Stealth. Hidden from public view, this AI super drone has revolutionized aircraft carrier-based operations and marked a new era in unmanned warfare. Join us on this extraordinary journey as we shed light on the groundbreaking features and remarkable potential of the X-47B Stealth. The X-47B is the brainchild of American defense technology giant Northrop Grumman, initially developed as part of the DARPA JUCAS program and later integrated into the United States Navy Unmanned Combat Air System demonstration. This tailless, jet-powered blended wing-body aircraft is a marvel of engineering. Designed for semi-autonomous operations and aerial refueling, the X-47B has proven itself capable of handling the demanding challenges of carrier-based operations. Taking flight in 2011, the X-47B has undergone extensive flight and operational integration testing, showcasing its impressive capabilities during a series of land and carrier-based demonstrations. It made history by becoming the first UAV to be catapulted off an aircraft carrier, marking a significant milestone in unmanned aviation. Though originally intended as museum exhibits after flight testing, the Navy chose to keep the X-47B demonstrators in flying condition due to their exceptional performance, paving the way for further development and exploration of its potential applications. The X-47B's flight testing phase has been nothing short of extraordinary, conducting precision approaches to the carrier flight deck. Arrested landings, catapult launches, and autonomous in-flight refueling have all contributed to its trailblazing success. With deck testing and integration into carrier operations completed, the X-47B became an integral part of carrier-based missions alongside manned aircraft, a historic achievement for unmanned drones. Despite its triumphs, the X-47B's journey doesn't end there. The Navy decided to repurpose it for reconnaissance and aerial refueling with limited strike capability, while the UCLASS project changed course and the MQ-25 Stingray carrier-based aerial refueling system took precedence. The X-47B continues to amaze and captivate with its adaptability and potential. With the X-47B's legacy secured, it remains a symbol of innovation and technological prowess in the world of AI Kamikaze drones. As we look ahead to the future, its groundbreaking features and achievements inspire further advancements in unmanned combat aerial vehicles, solidifying its place in history as a game-changer in modern warfare. The X-47B Stealth's journey from concept to reality has not only reshaped the landscape of unmanned warfare, but has also paved the way for future advancements in military aviation. Its successful integration into carrier operations alongside manned aircraft demonstrates the potential for seamless cooperation between humans and AI-powered machines. The X-47B's ability to conduct precision approaches, catapult launches, arrested landings, and autonomous in-flight refueling opens up new possibilities for unmanned aircraft in critical missions. Beyond its technical achievements, the X-47B Stealth has also sparked a shift in strategic thinking within the military. Its stealthy design, coupled with its semi-autonomous capabilities, allows it to penetrate protected airspace and conduct reconnaissance missions with exceptional stealth and efficiency. The possibility of using UCAVs like the X-47B for intelligence gathering and target identification for follow-on attacks represents a paradigm shift in modern warfare. As the X-47B's legacy endures, its story serves as a testament to the endless possibilities that AI-powered drones offer to military forces worldwide. The successful completion of primary demonstration tasks and its versatility in multiple carrier-based tests have solidified its position as a groundbreaking, unmanned combat aerial vehicle. While its role might evolve in the future, its contributions to reshaping the future of military operations remain undeniable. The story of the X-47B Stealth represents more than just a technological breakthrough. It symbolizes the relentless pursuit of innovation and the dedication to push the boundaries of what is possible. As we set our sights on the horizon, we can anticipate even greater developments in the realm of AI Kamikaze drones. The lessons learned from the X-47B's development and testing will undoubtedly inform future programs and inspire the next generation of unmanned combat aerial vehicles. The marriage of cutting-edge technology, artificial intelligence, and strategic planning will continue to revolutionize the way we conduct warfare in the years to come. As we bid farewell to this chapter of the X-47B's stealth journey, we eagerly await the unfolding of new discoveries in the world of military aviation. It is through bold endeavors like these that we forge a path toward a safer and more advanced future. Thank you for joining us on this riveting exploration of the best-kept secret of AI Kamikaze drones. Stay tuned for more cutting-edge tech discoveries as we continue to unveil the latest breakthroughs that shape the course of human progress. Until next time.